OnePlus has finally revealed its first look at the OnePlus Turbo, and instead of excitement, it raises a more uncomfortable question. Is this actually innovation, or just another attempt to distract buyers with oversized numbers? A 9,000 milliamp hour battery paired with 80-watt fast charging sounds impressive at first glance, but raw capacity alone doesn't automatically make a phone great. We've seen this playbook before. Inflate one headline spec, ignore the compromises, and let marketing do the heavy lifting. And once you start connecting the dots, it becomes clear that this phone could either expose serious weaknesses or collapse under its own hype. Starting with the display, the OnePlus Turbo is expected to feature a 6.8-inch OLED panel with 1.5K resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate. On paper, it ticks all the flashy boxes. In reality, high refresh rates are meaningless if brightness consistency, color calibration, and touch stability aren't handled properly. OnePlus has a decent display track record, but lately it hasn't been flawless. Performance is where the cracks begin to show. In China, the phone is expected to ship with the Snapdragon 7S Gen 4, while global markets may get the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4. OnePlus clearly isn't chasing true flagship performance here, despite flirting with flagship-adjacent marketing. Sustained performance is the real concern. If thermal management isn't solid, throttling will erase whatever speed advantage these chips claim on spec sheets. The camera setup is even more underwhelming. A 50-megapixel main camera paired with an 8-megapixel secondary sensor and a 32-megapixel front camera feels painfully familiar and not in a good way. That 8-megapixel sensor is the biggest red flag. If it's a basic, low-effort ultra-wide, this instantly turns into a one-camera phone pretending to be versatile. The battery is the main talking point, but it's also where the risk is highest. A 9,000 milliamp hour battery is massive, but size brings weight, bulk, and heat. Add 80-watt fast charging and thermal control becomes a serious challenge. If OnePlus can't manage charging temperatures and long-term battery health, this monster battery becomes more of a liability than an advantage. Software-wise, the phone is expected to launch with Oxygen OS 16. Oxygen OS used to be a major selling point, but recent versions have blurred into generic, feature-bloated Android skins. Smoothness and speed only matter if long-term updates stay clean and consistent, something OnePlus has struggled to guarantee across all markets. As for pricing and launch timing, the OnePlus Turbo is expected to arrive in 2026 at a so-called mid-range price, with aggressive positioning against flagships. On paper, it looks bold. In reality, it risks being just another overhyped phone trying to win with numbers instead of balance.